How to cancel AliExpress order. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To cancel the AliExpress order, first and foremost, launch your AliExpress application in your mobile device. Now over here, make sure that you are logged into your AliExpress account. To cancel the AliExpress order, at the bottom right corner you will see the account option. You need to click on it. Right under My Orders, tap on View All. You will see all the orders you have placed so far, both paid and unpaid. To cancel the AliExpress order, firstly select on the item. Then, right here at the bottom you will see the Cancel Order option. Now to cancel the order, all you need to do is tap on Cancel Order, which will redirect you to this new page. Over here, select a reason for the cancellation. Then tap on Confirm. Then select on the Submit button and tap on Confirm to cancel the order. And just like that, you have successfully cancelled your AliExpress order. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.